Hello fellow barcoders! Just popping by with a quick video explaining the difference between encoders and fonts. You might be wondering, what even is an encoder? And don't I just need a font? Not exactly. Barcodes actually have their own standards they must adhere to. To ensure that standard is met, the data must pass through an encoder, which enables it to become a barcode. Step 2 is where applying the font comes in. Think of a font like the ones you choose in Word. It's something you apply to text. We do this all the time. Select some text and change the font. The same goes for barcodes. Now, let's see an example. Open the Excel example found in the Integrations folder, and we find the barcodes. Select all of them and change the font to a random one using the font selection. When we do this, the barcodes disappear and we see random characters instead. These random characters are the encoded data generated by the encoder. This encoded data allows us to apply our IDAutomation font to create a scannable barcode. Now let's see a QR code example, one of IDAutomation's 2D barcodes. When we open Excel, we see the QR code. Select the QR code and apply a font other than the IDAutomation font, and we see the encoded data underneath. Are you curious about how we got this encoded data? It's not magic, but close. Using the font requires an encoder. In Excel, I'm harnessing the power of VBA macros and barcode functions. And don't sweat, I've included a link below on how to set up the VBA import. Before we go, let's explore what happens if we apply the font to unencoded data. If you thought no scannable barcode would be generated, then you'd be correct. Instead of a QR code, it's just gibberish. So remember, always encode your data first to create a scannable design. I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, we are your source for quality symbology.